Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to do a kind of fall inspired get ready with me. See, I got my little kind of fallish colors going on. And I'm gonna do foundation and an eye look. So if you want to see this video, just keep watching. All right guys, so let me just start by saying that I've been using the can I get it to focus, the Bobbi Brown, come on, get into the light, vitamin enriched face base. I don't think it's gonna show up it's too much crazy colors, but I've been using this. I bought this when it first came out and absolutely loved it. Then this is like $50 a bottle, so you know I only got one bottle, but then my beautiful sister sent me this one and I've been using it, and I feel like it just gives you this like great canvas to work with, and then all the products just kind of fall on really well. So definitely if you want to splurge, especially during the Sephora sale, you might want to pick one of these up. It just does wonders for your makeup. All right, that was just a little plug. But anyway, so of course I'm going to use my Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation. The color that I use is Espresso. I'm gonna apply this onto my hand, spray some Scandinavia makeup primer. Is that what it's called? Makeup primer spray. So spray this on there and then use my Sigma F80 brush and go to work. Next, I'm gonna apply my concealer. My concealer is by ColourPop. Right, this one is dark 46, which is not dark, but yeah. To set everything, I'm just gonna apply my powders that I normally use. My NYX Set It, Don't Fret It. Set It, Don't something. Set It, Don't. Oh, now it's just called Mineral Matte Finishing Powder. They changed the name. Anyway, that and along with my Sasha Cosmetics in Buttercup. So I'm just going to use these two. If there's anything else left in this container. And I'm going to put my robe on because I have a tendency of messing up my clothes. This part. So what I noticed with my eyes is that the less sleep that I get, the darker my eyelids are for some reason. I don't know. Comment down below if that happens to you. Like, I don't get under eye darkness. I get eyelid darkness. I think it's weird. These steps are just things that I normally do. If you want like a full tutorial on this, like the colors I use and things of that nature, you could just see it in like a previous video or something, but I don't deviate from these, especially when I'm going to work, because I am like going to work, hence the reason why I'm kind of rushing and running late. All right, so I am going to use Credit from the you know, Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, which is this right here. And I'm going to use my favorite color, whose name I can't remember, Zam, right? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smoke out the Credit so that it gives it that whole fall vibe, kind of smoky look, because you know a lot of people do smoky eyes in the fall. All right, so just bear with me because that's what we're going for. That's what we're going for. So as you can see, I brought it in a lot farther, and like I came kind of down instead of doing like the V itself. I did like that, and then I came over and did it inside of like at the top of my eyelid. See that darkness? All right. Then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to, once I put the Zam color in, I'm gonna have to put in more of the credit. So in order to make the Zam stand out, I do hit it with a primer spray. Well, hit my brush with a primer spray. All right, guys, so here is the completed look. Tried to fix up my hair and everything, but this is my like little fall-ish kind of inspired look. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to my babies, Charlotte, my little prince, Martha, Mary, Martha, and everyone else. I love you so much. Oh, I just wanted to say the body blender. Sorry, mine's gonna be a little bit dirty because I just finished using it. This is a really good sponge. I actually like it. Only downfall is that it like is talking to me. I think this is like the first wash I did and it did that. But other than that, it's really good. I would like get it again. But anyway, yeah. All right, see you in my next video. Bye, guys.